panels of same rating should be selected. Okay, already you know the problem. If you select solar panels of different rating, for example, you selected one 100-watt panel and you selected one 80-watt panel. So for example, you are going to connect them in series connection. When you connect them in series, resultant is one positive and one negative. So for example, this is driving a current of some 1.5 ampere and this is driving a current of 1 ampere. The resultant current is, so in a series connection, current is constant, and whatever the current is lower, only that current will come into the picture, multiplied with 12 volts. The total rating of the, or the total rating is only 80 into 2, the total rating is only 80 watt peak. Rather than it has to work like an 180 watt panel, but it is working like only an 80 watt panel. So that is why you should not connect two different panel. You have to connect either panels of same rating. If you connect panels of two different rating, whatever is the lower, that panel rating only will be taken into the account. It may be an current or it may be an voltage. So in the series, in a series connection, what is constant? Current is constant. So this 80 watt panel will generate less magnitude of current. That current only will affect the total rating of the panel. In a parallel connection, what is constant? Voltage is constant. So if the panel which is having lower voltage, so lower voltage it will develop automatically, the total rating of the panel will be as per only the lower rated panel. So it's already, we had done some number of experiments how to connect the solar panels of same rating and solar panels of different rating. And what is the recommendation? You install a solar plant only of same rating, either it may be series connection or it may be an parallel connection. So this is about the installation structures of solar PV. So what is this overall view? Let's try to design it again. Design the structure in such a way it will withstand the wind speed of 150 kilometers per hour. Use the structures which has maximum life, that is done with the help of galvanized iron or alloy steel material. The structure should be designed. And face the solar panel, since we are in southern hemisphere, face the solar panel facing the south direction, and use only stainless steel boards which can withstand this, overcome the problems of corrosion. And the orientation should be like the pitch have, you should have only the pitch angle. Already we had seen this pitch angle, how much orientation it should have. And install the solar panels of only same rating. You should not install the solar panels of different rating. So these are the installation precautions to be taken while we are installing a solar panel. Next, coming to the maintenance of solar panel, it's very simple. Use a soft cloth or cotton cloth plus water and use some mild detergent and just clean the panels. That is what about the maintenance of an solar panel. And already we had studied the problems of shadow effects. Okay, so regularly trim the trees and avoid the shadow problems. Okay, already we have studied the shadow problem. So if you have two panels connected in series connection, so if one shadow falls on one solar panel, automatically the current magnitude will decrease. So this will generate some sort of 10 ampere current. The panel which is subjected to shadow will generate only 5 amperes. The resultant current of the total array only will be how much? 5 amperes. This is the effect of a shadow. Already we have been discussed it. And avoid loose connections. So you should use the proper electrical jointing methods and proper insulating methods in such a way that it will not have any loose connections. So these are the precautions what you have to take while you are installing a solar PV plant. Now coming to the batteries.